Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before I plant certain seeds, I like to soak them in water overnight. Most people soak seeds to help them germinate faster, but there's another reason I like to do it. Soaking can also give you a quick idea of which seeds are taking up water well and which ones may not germinate as reliably. Right now I'm getting ready for some fall planting, and today I'm working with peas. Larger seeds like peas and beans are especially easy to soak before planting. I usually put them in water before I go to bed, and then plant them the next morning. And this is what they look like after soaking overnight. You can see that some of the peas have become much larger and plumper. They've absorbed a lot of water. Some haven't swollen quite as much, but you can still tell they've taken in some moisture. And then there are a few that still look almost exactly the same, small, hard, and wrinkled. Here's the difference side by side. The plump seeds have absorbed water well, which is usually a good sign. But if a seed is still hard and shriveled after about 10 to 12 hours of soaking, it may be less viable, or the seed coat may not be allowing water in very well. I normally wouldn't keep soaking them much longer. Leaving seeds in water for too long can actually cause problems, including rotting. There's also something interesting you can notice just by listening. When I drop one of these plump, hydrated seeds, the sound is softer and duller. Even a seed that has fully swollen sounds similar once it has absorbed some water. But listen to this dry one. It makes a much harder, sharper sound. That's another little clue that it has taken up much water. So for me, soaking seeds isn't only about speeding up germination. It's also a simple way to look through the seeds before planting and choose the ones that seem more promising. That can help give you more even germination and fewer empty spots in the garden. With this batch, about 1/3 of the peas stayed dry and wrinkled. If I planted all of them without checking, I could easily end up with gaps in the row. Then I'd either have wasted space or need to come back and replant later. So whenever I'm working with seeds that benefit from soaking, I like to give them this little head start. It only takes a few minutes of work, and it can help the seeds germinate faster and give you a more even start. If you found this tip helpful, give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you soak your seeds before planting. And if you enjoy simple, practical gardening tips like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.